All right, guys. So you're gonna need a 19 millimeter socket, 18 millimeter socket, 21 millimeter box end, open wrench or whatever. A little mallet. You're gonna want a big ass crescent wrench to potentially help you. Little bungee cord to help suspend the pan-hard bar. All right, so see, I like to get the thing bungee cord right here kind of already going, so when I take this bolt out, I got something to help me hold it up. I was already taking this one out, but 19 millimeter, back it out, swing it out the way. Now you're ready to install the bolt-on pan-hard correction kit. Okay, next, if you're going to be using a shorty version, or you're going to be using the bottom hole on the normal height PCK, you're going to need to clearance this area right here. So there's this little tab that was used for the ABS line to clip in back here, but we're not even using these no more. So you make this like thinner so that the flange on the nut for the main bolt will clear this area if you're using a shorty or the bottom hole on the standard height PCK. Okay, and then next you're gonna this area right here is gonna for sure be tight. It's a combination of this design being super tight tolerance with the powder coat and all that, and then just this being a little pinched from the factory in order for it to like pinch the factory pan-hard bar. Okay, so you're probably gonna have to get a big ass crescent wrench and like massage it a little open in every direction. Okay, massage it kind of thing, put it like this. Right, massage it, and then take away the powder coat from here if I didn't do it already.
Removing powder coat no longer needed.
You might even have to like grind it down just a little bit, but this is basically you're gonna fit it in, and eventually you want to drop it in to where you can get the factory bolt and get the threads going. Once you can do that easily, you know that it's perfect. Okay, and now we're gonna start to put the thing together. We got a wing nut, right, with the welded nut to this plate. There's a longer end and there's a shorter end, and then the nut's gonna face up. Longer end's gonna get slipped in first, going towards the front of the vehicle. It goes up and then kind of like back, and you kind of like want to center it as best as you can, or just place it there. Then you're gonna get the front half bracket, right, and you're gonna feed it the main bolt, the main factory bolt. Get about 5-6 turns in. Then you're gonna try to fish for the bottom one. So I found the hole. I'm gonna get a good, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 turns in, right? Next bolt will be the side bolt. Same thing. I'm gonna get a good amount of turns in, 5, 6 turns in. Now I'm gonna get my pan hard. Get the main bolt for the pan hard. Slip it through. Get the nut back there. Right? Once I get the nut back on, the first bolt I'm gonna touch is the factory bolt. I'm gonna suck it up. Okay? That's not like torqued down yet, okay? So that basically is gonna force the front half bracket towards the back or towards the front of the truck. All right, it's gonna start sandwiching the whole system. And then next bolt you want to get is the bottom bolt. All right, I'll use like an impact. I get it pretty snug. Like you'll even start to see it like want to flex the actual bracket a little bit. And then the next one you want to get is the side bolt. Okay. All right, so I'm torquing down that side one. Those are the bottom nut, and the side nut is a self-locking nut. All right, I'm gonna torque those down to about 95 pounds.
All bolts must be torqued to 125 feet lbs. Factory bolt and main bolt for track bar should get some blue Loctite. The welded-on bolts are self-locking. You will feel it get tight as the bolt passes the last thread on welded nut.
Same thing with that one. This one's gonna get blue Loctite. This nut's gonna get blue Loctite. All right, and then now last thing you want to do is you're just gonna get a 21 millimeter open or box in. All right, guys. Once you guys have everything torqued down, I really suggest you guys start learning or just putting some hash marks or like little paint marks to help with seeing if bolts move or not. It should be good practice for you guys for when you guys are out in the field. But I like to use this brand right here, Revlock Race Supplies. They work really, really well. And then the pink one really stands out, so you get to like see it from far away. They got some other really cool colors as well. All right, guys, thank you.